What up, Destiny viewers and people who like Destiny? And what up to the rest of us? MONSTAR Gaming. It's your boy Adam. MONSTARSTRACK, whatever you want to call it. It's what it is. Destiny. This bitch is close to 20. It's been like a month and a half trying to get to 20. Like, I don't play Destiny enough anymore. Who the fuck is texting me? So, let's go to war, bitch. Oh shit. Sound alarms, bitch. Sitting in the motherfucking cavalry. I'm about to fuck everybody up. Fuck you, fuck you. I'm about to smack everybody out this motherfucker. Shit, just so I can get to 20. Motherfucker ain't get to 20 yet. Playing fucking too long. I've been playing this mission forever. God damn it. Look at me, that nigga disappeared. Oh, I need to scoop back. I almost died. I still almost dead. Hold on. Throw that right there. All these motherfuckers got superpowers and big ass guns. I need to slow down. No, I don't. Take it to him. Everybody staying still for nothing no more. I fucking missed. This shit went right through them to the other side of the fucking stage. And I fucking missed. Blast that motherfucker. Get to him before he hit off the ground. Get them three right there. Bag, booyah, kashow. Oh, Bruce Lee kicking ass right now. Bruce, oh shit, you trying to get Bruce Lee with that Bruce Lee shit? Fuck, get out of there. No, fuck. I thought I was gonna go with that. Oh shit, nigga, we at 20. Fuck y'all. Check me out, boys and girls. Right now I'm level 26. Y'all ain't gotta do shit to me. Shit, y'all ain't gonna do shit to me. This motherfucking shotgun got full auto. No, it don't. This motherfucker don't got full auto, but it don't fucking matter. Yeah. Y'all thought y'all was gonna smack me around while I was 19 for so long. But now that I'm 20, fuck that noise. Shit. Fuck that noise. I had so much stuff ready to be out. So much stuff was in my backpack ready to come out. Fuck that noise. Y'all not escaping me today. We ain't had that. We not having that. Shit. You know, what the fuck that shit blowing out? Fuck that noise. You not gonna smack me. Shit. Fuck that noise. Got you. Bruce Lee kicks, fuck your face up. Whoa. What y'all running for? What you running for? Don't run for me. Fuck you. Fuck you. You thought you was gonna beat my ass when I was 19, but you was wrong. I'm gonna blow your fucking top off. What? Oh shit, I gotta reload. Fucking blow your fucking top off. What? Shit. Wow. Bust the kneecaps up, bitch. Yeah. You thought you were gonna fuck with Bruce Lee? Bruce Lee clean up the fucking stage. Bruce Lee kick everybody out. Oh, Bruce Lee, wow. Oh, it's a bummer you wasn't ready for me when I got to level 20. Was you? Oh, you wasn't ready for me when I got to level 20, was you? Oh. Fuck out. Slayed him. Turn that shit on. Shit. Tell that nigga come bring his ass. No. Bring that ass here, boy. Pause. Didn't I just deploy you? You ain't doing your job. Look, and the motherfucker came over and smacked me because you ain't doing your job. You got one job, little ghost. Listen to me and do what I say. Man, fuck you. You ain't gonna stop me with that bullshit. Not you. Damn, fuck boy. Hey, could somebody slow down with the missile? You don't even know if I'm still over here. You just shooting the fucking missiles in this direction. Shit. Go to the other side. What? Fucking shield. I hate the fucking shield. I do. I just hate that fucking shield with passion. Can that damn ship go away? The ship's making everything fucking harder. I'm about to missile that motherfucker. One thing at a time, Adams. One thing at a time. Alright, he stopped shooting. About. Damn. He did not stop shooting. Alright, I gotta go up in there. Gotta get some ground. Gain some ground here. Pow! It worked! Valley of the Kings. King Valley, bitch. That could be a rapper name. A lame ass rapper name. King Valley, bitch. What the fuck am I talking about?
Let's see what they know about the gate.
Yeah, them motherfuckers weren't ready. Once I loked up on their asses, got that black shade on right now. That obsidian color. Fucked them up. So I decked her out now. I'll holler at y'all later. Deuces.